Hello, aspiring data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts. Welcome to the Python and R for Data Science and Machine Learning with 500 Days Run Dataset course. I am thrilled to embark on this exciting journey with you. I'm by the name Simon Peter Ojok, aspiring data scientist and machine learning engineer at Yon AI Africa. I am going to be your instructor in this course. In the next 500 days, we are not just going to learn data science and machine learning, but we are going to do it with a unique twist. We will leverage a real-world dataset, the 500 Days Run dataset collected by myself. I am committed to a 500-day running challenge to provide real-world dataset for teaching this course. Let us take a quick look at what this course has in store for you. We will kick off by exploring the fundamentals of Python and R, the dynamic duo of programming languages in the data science world. Module 2 dives into the nitty-gritty of collecting and preparing data. Clean, organized data is the foundation of any successful data science project. Module 3 uncover hidden patterns and insights within the data. Exploratory data analysis is where the story of your dataset begins. Learn the art of crafting meaningful features that enhance the predictive power of your machine learning models in Module 4. Enter the realms of machine learning in Module 5. We will cover the basics and set the stage for building intelligent models. Roll up your sleeves and get hands-on with building and evaluating machine learning models using Python and R in Module 6. Take a deep dive into the fascinating world of neural networks and deep learning in optional Module 7. Explore the essential steps involved in deploying your models to make them accessible to the world in Module 8. Module 9 wrap up our journey, review key takeaways, and discuss the exciting path that lie ahead. As you progress through the course, you will encounter key milestones and assessments. Make your hands dirty by completing practical examples and assessments in each module. You will get a certificate of completion at the end. These accomplishments will not only validate your learning but also showcase your expertise to the world. If you are aspiring machine learning engineers, data scientists, analysts, or anyone eager to harness the power of Python and R for machine learning, this course is designed for you. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, we have got you covered. Individuals interested in practical applications will find this course particularly rewarding. We are using a real-world case study, the 500 Days Run Fast Track Challenge dataset to enhance your learning experience.